Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you Gulskogen Garden or Farm, which is a beautiful place to visit in summer. Gulskogen Farm in Drammen is one of the best preserved examples of the late 17th and early 1800th century Norwegian pleasure grounds. Today the farm is part of Drammen Museum. The facility consists of a garden, farm buildings and a farmhouse. The farmhouse is a patrician residence with paintings and interiors, as they were mainly designed in the early 1800 centuries. A garden is a living organism, and Gulskogen Parken has been changed over 200 years. After the mid-1800s, grown-up romantic parties became modern. For a time, there were many fruit trees, berry bushes, and vegetable fields. Today you will find many beautiful birds wandering in the Gulskogen farm. There are ducks, peacocks, and lots of small birds that come and settle there in summer. But peacocks are owned by Drammen Museum, and they take care to feed them properly, and they are free to wander around the Gulskogen farm in summer. Gulskogen farm is open and free for anyone who wants to visit the place or take a walk. It is open from May to October from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. It is very nice to take a trip to Gulskogen farm. There is fresh air and no noise from cars, so you can feel the wind and hear the sound of the birds. Gulskogen farm is by the river. There you can also see some old houses from 1700s. Gulskogen farm is not so long from Drammen train station. It only takes 6 minutes with car, or if you have to walk, so it takes 33 minutes. But it is not so difficult to find the way, and with today's technology, it is very easy. For anyone visiting Drammen, Norway, or people who are from Drammen, I would say that it is worth visiting this place and see by your own eyes. I mean, it feels good and more alive. They have maintained the farm very good. I hope you could learn something new from this video about Drammen, Norway, and I will make more videos like this. So subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.